Hi, welcome to Canada Visa and CIC News. In this video, we're talking about the steps that you need to take to immigrate to Canada from the United States through Express Entry. Express Entry is Canada's main pathway for skilled workers. Each year, over 10,000 US residents and citizens obtain permanent residence invitations from the Canadian government through Express Entry. Here's how you can start your journey to Canada. Step 1. Find out if you're eligible. Fill out our free assessment form to find out if you're eligible for Canadian immigration. Fun fact, the assessment form assesses you across more than 100 Canadian immigration pathways. If you're eligible, you will be contacted by email. Step 2. Take a language test. You can take a language test in English or in French. For English, you can take either the IELTS or the CELPIP. For French, you may take either the TEF Canada or the TCF Canada. Step 3. Verify that your foreign degree is equivalent to a Canadian degree. You can do this by requesting an educational credential assessment from a recognized body. Step 4. Create your Express Entry profile. You will be required to submit your language test results and your educational credential assessment and provide information related to other factors such as work experience and travel history. Don't worry, we can help. Step 5. Wait to receive an invitation to apply. Step 6. Prepare as many documents as you can. Once you receive your invitation to apply, you may only have 60 days to submit all your documents. Step 7. Receive an invitation to apply and submit your documents. Once you receive an invitation to apply, you must submit all your required documents, including a medical report, police certificates from the countries you lived in, your educational credential assessment, and your employment letters. Step 8. Submit your biometrics. You will also be required to go to your visa application center to submit your biometrics. Step 9. Wait for a final decision. Once you've submitted your application, the processing time is usually around 6 months. Step 10. Final decision. If you usually require a visa to enter Canada, you will have to submit your passport to your visa application center. This is so you can obtain an immigrant visa. If you do not require a visa to enter Canada, you can skip this step. Step 11. COPR. You will be required to go to your visa application center to pick up your confirmation of permanent residence document. You must also pick up your passport if you have submitted it for a visa.